If you want to turn any photo into a clean coloring cartoon using Leonardo AI, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to upload an image, set the right model and settings, write a prompt that creates bold outline art, and use a negative prompt to remove unwanted detail. By the end, you'll be able to generate a printable coloring page style image in just a few clicks. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss any of our AI design guides. First, open Leonardo AI and log in to your free account. Once you're inside the workspace, take a quick look at the top left corner so you can check your daily token balance. Leonardo AI usually gives you 150 tokens every 24 hours, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on how many you have before you start generating. Next, upload your reference image. Look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen and click it. Then choose Upload Image and select the photo you want to convert from your local storage. This could be a pet photo, a portrait, a product image, or even a simple object you want to turn into a coloring cartoon style. Now move on to the configuration settings. Here, choose the model you want to use. Different models can give slightly different results, so if the first one doesn't look perfect, you can test another option. After that, set the quality and image dimensions. If you want a sharper final image, choose higher quality. If you want something quick and simple, you can keep the settings balanced. Then choose the number of generations so Leonardo AI knows how many variations to create. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. In the prompt box, type a clear description of what you want the image to become. Since we're making a coloring cartoon, focus on bold outlines, simple shapes, and no shading. A good prompt might sound like this: a cute puppy playing with a ball, precise black line drawing for coloring pages, children's coloring book style, bold outlines, no shading, white background. The more specific you are, the better your results will usually be. If your model allows it, turn on the negative prompt option below the main prompt box. This helps remove anything you do not want in the image. In the negative prompt field, type words like color, gray, shading, gradient, blurry, complex. This tells Leonardo AI to avoid effects that would make the image less suitable for a coloring page. Once everything is ready, click, generate, and wait for the results. Leonardo AI will create your image based on the uploaded reference and the prompt you entered. When the images appear, preview them carefully and look for the one with the cleanest outline, the simplest details, and the best cartoon style for coloring. If the first result isn't perfect, don't worry. You can adjust the prompt, change the model, or refine the settings and try again. Small changes often make a big difference when you're trying to get that clean black and white coloring book look. After you find the version you like, download the coloring outline image to your device. And that's it. You've successfully used Leonardo AI to turn an image into a coloring cartoon. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more AI design tips, and I'll see you in the next one.